Check out this 2014 Dodge Avenger. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: FWD, air conditioning, cruise control, electronic stability control, keyless entry, power door locks, power steering, power windows, wheels, steel and tilt and telescoping wheel. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.